Question says that we have one PN junction diode which have a relation as I is equal to I naught e raised to the power qv by pkt minus 1. And question says that if the diode current is 0.5 ampere, then voltage is this much, 340 millivolt, and if the diode current is 15 milliampere, then voltage is 440 millivolt. If these two conditions are given to you, then you need to calculate the value of P. That is my problem, and it is given that KT by Q is 25 millivolt. Right. So we have value of I for two different of V's, right? And we need to calculate the KT by Q is already given. We need to calculate the value of V. So one assumption I can take that because exponential has a positive power, that my e raised to power qv by pkt is very larger than the 1. So I can simplify my equation as qv by pkt. Okay, now just put the conditions. So if my current is 0.5 milliampere, it will be I naught times e raised to the power q into 340 milli upon pkt millivolt, because voltage is millivolt. My second condition will be if my current is 15 millivolt, so it will be I naught times e raised to power q times 440 milli upon pkt. So now let's divide these two conditions, take a derivative of these two conditions, sorry, not derivative, just divide these two conditions. You will get it as 1 by 30 is equal to e raised to the power, and this we know that in the division the powers will go to subtract. You will effectively have minus 100 milli upon p into 25 milli. We have put the value of kt by q, milli to milli cancel, so you can get the 30 is equal to e raised to power 4 by p, which will get you that p is equal to 4 by ln 30, which is nothing but 1.176. okay, so it's a very simple problem, just a calculation is there. Conceptually it is a very simple problem. Option D is my answer, 1.176. Thank you.